Hello, my name is Federico, and I am here to show you how to update your Drupal website. So let me show you this website we're going to update. You go to your website, click on Status Report from Reports. You can see we have two errors. One is Drupal version 10.3.1. This is going to require a PHP update to 8.3, and we'll go through that as well. Normally you don't have to do this, but this is just a one-time thing. So here we go. So we see that 10.3.10 is available, and the modules also need to be updated. We'll go ahead and get started. We start with flushing the cache, and then we go to development, backup, migrate. We're going to back up the database. There we are. Okay, so we have the database backed up. Now what we're going to do is we are going to, I'm already on cPanel, go to terminal, cd public underscore HTML, and it is cd Armstrong. There we are. So we're in the right spot. And I never remember the command to run, so I always do this. Drupal composer update modules. And this will allow us to update everything at the same time. Okay, and so updating modules and themes using Composer. This command right here will allow you to update everything. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And I am going to paste it here and hit enter. Now it's going to cough up a hairball a little bit because it wants to run PHP 8.3 on this version, and I'll show you how to do the upgrade. You'll rarely have to do this, but if you ever run into this, you'll know how. If not, you can skip ahead. If you don't need to do this, just go ahead and skip ahead. Okay, you can see how it's downloading everything. It's actually downloaded already right here, and it's doing the upgrades all by itself right here. You can see it. There we are. Now I'm going to do drush. And you can see that the drush is already coughing up a hairball. It requires PHP version 8.2. So let's go ahead and move this to PHP version 8.2 real quick. So I'm going to open up another cPanel, and we're going to go PHP. Just type PHP here, and it's multi-PHP editor, the very first one. Oops, wrong one. I take that back. PHP, it's going to be select PHP version. That's not it either. See, it doesn't let you. PHP, multi-PHP manager is what it is. There you go. So let's go ahead and upgrade this to 8.2. 8.3 is available, and we're going to do that soon, but not right now. So let's hit apply. Okay, so we got that. And now let's try it again, drush. There we are. So it looks like we're good to go. Let's see what drush version it is. Hold on, clear. Drush version. Just go up to the top. And 12.5.2, which is fine. All right. So we're still here. Let me run a clear again. And so we already updated the modules, but now what we need to do is we need to use drush to clear the cache. So it's cron, it just cr to clear the cache. There, cache rebuild complete. And then we're going to go drush, update database. Honeypot module is too old to update, so we're going to type no, hit enter. And then we're going to uninstall Honeypot. And we can do that from here. And I never remember how to do this, so I have to go drush uninstall module. There we go. Uninstalling module, and there it is, drush pm uninstall module name. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put that right, I'm going to paste it into here, and obviously module name's not going to work. I know the name of the module, it's honeypot. Hit return. There it is. So let's try to do the update again. And I don't see any errors. Hold on. Let's put no, and let's clear this screen. And now let's try it. Make sure I'm not getting confused. Ah, there we are. See, so there's the drush update command and just no errors. So let's go ahead. All right, and now let's go ahead and re-engage. Well, let's go drush core. Actually, let's flush the cache again. Cache refresh, CR. There we are. Cache rebuild, I mean, not refresh. And now we're going to go drush core cron. So we're going to run a cron job. Should be re-indexing everything on the database. Whoops, hold on. I thought I saw something funky. Email dummy does not comply. Unable to send email. Contact the site administrator if the problem persists. I don't know. This normally does not send an email on cron jobs, so I'll have to see what's going on there. But don't worry about this right now. This is the first time I've ever seen this issue, and you'll probably never see it. All right, so let's go ahead, and I am going to back to the site. I'm going to open this up in a new tab. And there we are. So let's go to reports. And you can see we're Drupal 10.3.10. We still have some unsupported releases. Let's see what's going on with that. So we'll click that. Oh, there it is, block class. And so I'm going to open this up in a different one. This will open up the Drupal site. And what we'll have to do is we'll have to install this from the command line manually. So I'm going to copy this command to the clipboard. It says you can upgrade to 3, but let's go ahead and just do the latest because it's green. It's recommended by the project's maintainer. So that's what we're going to do. Copy. And we'll go back here. We're going to paste. And we'll just go ahead and there we are. So it updated from 2 to 4. You can see that right here. Now let's go drush update database. Drush CR. And let's see what we got here. Let's refresh this and see if it errors out again. Everything looks good. Let's go to reports, status report. One error still, unsupported release. Let's see what that is. Okay, so everything looks like it's all your projects are up to date. Let's check manually. Everything is up to date. So let's go to list and we'll see everything with our own eyes. So you can see there's an update available here, but as long as a green check mark is good next to up to date, we're okay because we don't want to use the alpha version of a module anyway, unless we really, really need to. Here it is. Site settings and labels not supported. This is 8.1.2. Let's open this up in a new tab. And here's a whole different version. Release candidate 5. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go back here. We're going to paste and hit enter. And there it did. Upgraded from there to there. So let's go drush, update database. Let's make sure there are no errors. There's the drush update database command that we typed in. And I don't see any errors. So let's go ahead and hit yes. Just hit return. And so it's re-indexing the database. And now what I'm going to do is drush cr. We'll do a cache rebuild. And now let's take a look. Let's get rid of this. There we go. All right, so let's do a refresh and see what happens here. And there we are, site settings and labels, up to date. Let's continue down. Okay, you'll see that GWD template 5.0.5, that's a custom template we built. That will never be accessible, so we just leave that alone. And it looks like we're good to go. Let's do one more status report check. And that's it, no errors. So we've got some output buffering that we might be able to optimize, some other things, but we're okay. So that's it. That is how you do a module update and a core update. Please let me know if you have any questions. Give me a call if you run into any issues, or if you have any errors that you don't know what they are. I will talk to you later, and I hope you have a good day.